Hello, good afternoon. Thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now. I'm Hina Gambhir. The big story that we have for you is what's happening with BJP MP, Rajya Sabha BJP MP Sandeep Pathak now. Days after his defection to the BJP, the Punjab police has registered 2 FIRs against Rajya Sabha BJP MP Sandeep Pathak. FIRs against Pathak were filed in 2 different districts of Punjab. Both FIRs have been registered under non-bailable sections and pertain to an alleged harassment and corruption case. Meanwhile, Sandeep Pathak has responded to the development, claiming that Aam Aadmi Party's move shows that they are quite scared. Let's go across to my colleague Dev Pathak. Dev, in fact, joining us on the broadcast. He is reporting live from outside Sandeep Pathak's residence. Dev, can you help us understand firstly a little bit about the FIRs that have been registered against him? What is the case? What are the charges?
Well, yes, like you rightly put it out, it's pertaining to a harassment case, which we believe has been filed by an orchestra dancer in Punjab, in another district as well. The sections are non-bailable. They pertain to mostly outraging the modesty of a woman. And Sandeep Pathak at this point in time, while his phone continues to remain switched off and he is also untraceable. In fact, in the morning, he left from the back door of his official residence. While a team of Punjab police officials were supposed to reach his residence, he was not available and wait until afternoon, and even now the team has not yet arrived. However, outside his residence, Delhi police officials continue to be stationed. Everyone is in anticipation as to when the Punjab police team will arrive. However, they seem to have got a whiff of the fact that he is not at home, while they are also trying to locate his whereabouts and trace his current location. Efforts are underway by the police to also try and determine the next course of action. Since the FIRs have been filed, taking him in custody is going to be highly imperative and important, because interrogation into the case will also be required before they officially take an arrest.
Right. They've requested to please stay on with us. Let's now listen into the reactions we've got for our viewers on this story.
श्री संदीप पाठक जी के आवास पर पंजाब पुलिस ने जाकर रेड करने का प्रयास किया। हम यह सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं पंजाब से, जहां कानून व्यवस्था की स्थिति इतनी लचर है कि आपकी पुलिस न ड्रग वालों को पकड़ पा रही है, जहां पवित्र हरमिंदर साहब के गेट के ऊपर भी गोली चल जाती है, जहां पर पुलिस अधिकारियों के कार्यालय पर हमला हो जाता है।
Mr. Sandeep Pathak and virtually the entire legislative party in the Rajya Sabha has shifted from the Aam Aadmi Party to the BJP. Obviously, the timing of suddenly putting in their FIRs against him, and that too on non-bailable offences, raises questions on the intention. Now, in the media, it was being reported that allegations were being made that Mr. Bhagwant Mann seemed to have been under the influence of alcohol when he gave his speech in the Vidhan Sabha. People were saying he should go for an alcohol test. Suddenly, you have an FIR coming, so obviously now people will start wondering that is there a link to divert attention from this embarrassing question that was being asked of the Chief Minister, who is a close confidant of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal and personally handpicked by Mr. Arvind Kejriwal?
अभी तक आपके तो नायक थे, अब उसी आपके खलनायक बन गए हैं। तो ये आम अमरूद पार्टी को ये बात समझना चाहिए कि जो ये बड़ा ये शोर मचाते थे, चिल्लाते थे कि साहब जो है वो सेंट्रल एजेंसीज का जो है वो दुरुपयोग हो रहा है, एजेंसीज का दुरुपयोग हो रहा है, क्रिमिनल्स का जो है वो दुरुपयोग हो रहा है। आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप जो है फेक फैब्रिकेटेड किससे कहानी कर रहे हैं, तो ये तो हकीकत दिखाई पड़ रही है।
देखिए, पंजाब सरकार अजीब तरह का काम कर रही है। कभी किसी के फैक्ट्री पे रेड कर दे रही है और उसके बाद पंजाब हाईकोर्ट ने फटकार लगाई, तब भी नहीं सुधरे। जब दारू पीता हुआ चीफ मिनिस्टर इस तरह के आदेश पारित कर सकता है तो नॉन वेलेबल वारंट भी जारी हो सकता है। नार्को टेस्ट तो उन्होंने करवाया नहीं, विधानसभा में लोगों ने डिमांड किया था। तो नशे में सरकार, झूमता मुख्यमंत्री, झूमता एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, ऐसे ऐसे काम होते रहेंगे।
BJP, very similar, is a younger party, Aam Aadmi Party. Mr. Arvind Kejriwal should not come out crying that ED, CBI and police is disturbing him. when his own government in Punjab is doing what exactly Prime Minister Modi and his government is known for. It's a whole mafia. They've ruined Punjab. They came with a very strong drive saying that they will remove alcohol, they'll remove drugs. But today it is known for those reasons.
दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है पंजाब की भगवंत मान की सरकार बदली बदला और बदला खोरी पर काम कर रही है। सरकार बौखलाहट में है, हताशा में है, निराशा में है और लगातार जन समर्थन घट रहा है। लोगों के मन में आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार के खिलाफ एक घृणा का वातावरण है। इस हताशा, निराशा, कुंठा से ये बदलाखोरी की कार्रवाई हो रही है, लेकिन पंजाबी डरने वाले नहीं हैं।
Let's now go across to Praveen Khandelwal, BJP MP, joining us on the broadcast. Good afternoon, Mr. Khandelwal. Appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now. Your first reaction to what is happening with Mr. Sandeep Pathak, the Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament, days after he left Aam Aadmi Party and joined the Bharatiya Janata Party along with 6 other MPs who were in Aam Aadmi Party earlier. He faces 2 FIRs.
Well, it has clearly established that the dirty face of Punjab government has been duly exposed, and it is nothing but a politics of retaliation. Till yesterday, when Sandeep Pathak was in Aam Aadmi Party, he was called to be an architect or the organizational man in the Aam Aadmi Party. But now today, when he has joined BJP, suddenly he has become a villain in the eyes of Punjab government. So therefore, it is nothing but the epitome of dirty politics of Arvind Kejriwal, Bhagwant Mann, and the whole gang of Aam Aadmi Party.
You speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. Let me go back to my colleague Dev, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Dev, we heard a lot of reactions from the BJP specifically, and most of the BJP netas are trying to suggest that, one, this is politics of retaliation, and second, this is perhaps an attempt by the Aam Aadmi Party to divert the attention from the embarrassing Chief Minister episode that we saw unfolding yesterday.
Well, yes, absolutely. As you saw, this has blown also into a full-scale political war with parties accusing each other. And you heard several reactions from several leaders. However, in fact, in the morning, when we spoke to Congress leaders, they said that why is Arvind Kejriwal crying foul now? Earlier, he had a problem with agencies like ED, CBI, income tax, and several other agencies being sent after opposition leaders. But now when he is doing the same with Punjab police, then is he not a hypocrite of sorts? So that was a very valid point that was raised, that now why cry foul? And you know, recently on April 24th, 7 members of parliament ended up merging with the BJP. So several leaders have also, including from BJP, have raised the timing of sending Punjab police and filing the 2 FIRs against Sandeep Pathak. And as you know, he is the defecting MP who joined onto the BJP side from Aam Aadmi Party. And he was a highly instrumental and an integral role in the running of, and rather also the formation of the Aam Aadmi Party since its inception days. You know, he was also a close confidant of former Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal as well. So now, of course, suddenly the timing of all of this is suddenly being questioned by BJP, saying that why cry sour grapes? Just because now you are at the losing end, it doesn't make sense to, accuse them of wrongdoing.
Right. Stay on with us, Dev. In fact, let's once again listen in to what BJP netas are saying on this entire matter.
श्री संदीप पाठक जी के आवास पर पंजाब पुलिस ने जाकर रेड करने का प्रयास किया। हम यह सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं पंजाब से, जहां कानून व्यवस्था की स्थिति इतनी लचर है कि आपकी पुलिस न ड्रग वालों को पकड़ पा रही है, जहां पवित्र हरमिंदर साहब के गेट के ऊपर भी गोली चल जाती है, जहां पर पुलिस अधिकारियों के कार्यालय पर हमला हो जाता है।
Mr. Sandeep.
Vikram Majithia of Shiromani Akali Dal joining us on the broadcast right now. Good afternoon. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. Your first reaction to the two FIRs against now BJP Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament Sandeep Pathak.
I think it's a witch hunt, and it clearly goes to show that whoever doesn't toe the Aam Aadmi Party line in Punjab is targeted. Till Mr. Pathak was the blue-eyed boy, he was the hero. As soon as he turned his back on them, he's become a zero. He's become a person who's being now blamed for all the wrongs in Punjab. But I would say the blame lies with Bhagwant Mann and Kejriwal. So if he's did anything wrong, why aren't Bhagwant Mann and Kejriwal being booked? Because they were implementing the orders. So it's just because he shifted loyalties, it's a clear case of sour grapes.
Okay, you're saying this is witch hunt, clear case of sour grapes, but don't you think Aam Aadmi Party is also now doing exactly what it used to accuse the BJP of doing? BJP was accused of being like a washing machine. Whenever, a tainted neta joins BJP, he becomes absolutely clean. There are no cases against that particular neta. And now look what is happening in the Aam Aadmi Party.
I totally endorse what you said, and I think both are competing with each other to show who has a better washing machine product, because both of them are doing exactly the same thing. Now, it was these Rajya Sabha MPs who left. Not even a year ago, the Trident Group chairman, who's one of the richest Rajya Sabha today, a net worth of 5,000 crores, was made an MP by none other then Kejriwal and Bhagwant Mann. And if you see those photographs were touted left, right and center. And the day he left for the BJP, the day he left Aam Aadmi Party, Pollution Control Board was there knocking at his industries. That he was violating pollution norms in Punjab. This only happened after he left the party. Same is the case with Mr. Pathak.
Right.
Same is the case with Raghav Chadha. It's going to happen to a lot of other people. And if you join them, you're good and clean. You leave them, you are thugs.
Right. Mr. Vikram Majithia, I appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. We're also joined on the broadcast by Pratap Singh Bajwa, who is leader of opposition in Punjab Assembly. Good afternoon, Mr. Bajwa. I appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now. Your first thought on the action against the Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament, Sandeep Pathak, AAP rebel, who has joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. The two FIRs that have been filed against him for non-bailable offences.
Ma'am, I am of the firm opinion that both the parties at the center of the state, they are two sides of the same coin. Whatever BJP does, it uses its agencies against its political opponents. The same thing is done by the state AAP government. They use their agencies like the vigilance. And this is for sure. When Patnaik was there, he was the hero of that party. Because he's turned turtle now. He's turned against the party. Now he's become a gadar or a villain for them. So it is the same kind of a tactics adopted either by Mr. Modi's government or by Kejriwal's government. They are two sides of the same coin.
Okay.
So everybody knows this is vendetta, nothing else.
You're saying this is vendetta. Even BJP has said this is vendetta. BJP, in fact, has also said that this is perhaps an attempt by the Aam Aadmi Party to also divert the attention from the Chief Minister's case that you also highlighted yesterday.
See, what I want to tell you is Raghav Chadha and Sandeep were the two most important figureheads in the AAP. They are the persons who gave tickets to majority MLAs there. They are the persons who were in touch with the organization of the AAP. So now they feel that whenever the BJP chooses to break this party and they want to take away the MLAs, these two people would be the key men of the BJP there. So that's why they have basically put in these cases against them so that they are demoralized and the MLAs
Right.
don't now basically look towards their phone. So this is the pressure tactics adopted by both the central and the state governments.
All
They
right.
are both alike.
All right. Mr. Pratap Singh Bajwa, appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. We have a reaction coming in from Shehzad Poonawala of the Bharatiya Janata Party as well. Listen in.
ये है आम आदमी पार्टी का वेंडेटा प्रो मैक्स। संदीप पाठक जो जनरल सेक्रेटरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन थे, राज्यसभा एमपी थे आम आदमी पार्टी के, वो और कुछ सांसद जैसे ही आम आदमी पार्टी छोड़कर निकले क्योंकि अरविंद केजरीवाल ने उनको धोखा दिया, तो अब अरविंद केजरीवाल की वेंडेटा पॉलिटिक्स को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए भगवंत मान सरकार ने उनके ऊपर 2 नॉन वेलेबल एफआईआर भ्रष्टाचार के मामलों में दर्ज करवा दी है। सोचिए, अरे ये भ्रष्टाचार के मामले 7-8 दिन में हुए क्या? अगर पहले से आपके पास तथ्य था तो ऐसे व्यक्ति को रखा क्यों था पार्टी में, और पहले एफआईआर क्यों नहीं हुई? अब इनको जाकर करप्शन के केसेस समझ में आ रहे हैं या बाकी केसेस समझ में आ रहे हैं। ये दिखाता है कि पंजाब पुलिस का केवल इस्तेमाल वेंडेटा के लिए किया जा रहा है। हरभजन सिंह जी की भी जो सिक्योरिटी विड्रॉ की गई पंजाब पुलिस के द्वारा, वो भी वेंडेटा पॉलिटिक्स का हिस्सा है। तेजिंदर बग्गा हो या बाकी केसेस हो, कांग्रेस के खिलाफ किस प्रकार से पुलिस का मिसयूज हुआ है, क्योंकि भगवंत मान की सरकार असेंबली में घिर गई और किस प्रकार से उनके ऊपर एलिगेशंस लगे कि वो नशे में धुत होकर असेंबली में आए। तो अब ध्यान भटकाने के लिए और केजरीवाल फैसिस्ट हिटलर केजरीवाल की वेंडेटा पॉलिटिक्स को पूरा करने के लिए अब संदीप पाठक के ऊपर एफआईआर की जा रही है और उनको हाउंड किया जा रहा है। ये एक इमरजेंसी मानसिकता, तानाशाही मानसिकता का परिचायक है और ये दिखाता है कि ये अकेले अरविंद की पार्टी एएपी बन चुकी है। योगेंद्र यादव हो, आशुतोष हो, मयंक गांधी हो, आशीष खैतान, राजेंद्र पाल गौतम, अलका लांबा से लेकर अब जो 7 सांसद निकले हैं, वो सभी इसलिए निकले हैं क्योंकि जो लोग बदलाव की बात करते थे वो खुद बदल गए। जो लोग वीवीआईपी फैसिलिटी नहीं लेने की बात करते थे वो शीश महल में चले गए। जो लोग लोकपाल की बात करते थे वो लालू के साथ चले गए। जो लोग अन्ना अन्ना करते थे वो अब सोनिया गांधी और राहुल गांधी के साथ चले गए। इसीलिए